Hey there, and welcome to Life Noggin. Sharks are a diverse group of fish known for their powerful bodies, sharp teeth, and critical role in ocean ecosystems. Here's a breakdown of what makes sharks so fascinating. Fact number 1. Sharks are cartilaginous fish. They can be found in all the world as oceans, from the shallow reefs to the deep-sea trenches. Despite its gigantic size, the whale shark is a filter feeder, which means it feeds on tiny plankton and krill. The most famous shark, the great white, typically measures between 15 and 20 feet. They have an excellent sense of smell, which they use to detect prey, mates, and other important chemicals in the water. Sharks also have a special ability called electroreception. They can detect the weak electrical fields produced by living things. This helps them find prey buried in the sand or hidden among rocks. Sharks also have good vision, especially in dim light. Their eyes are designed to see well in low light conditions, which allows them to hunt effectively in the dark depths of the ocean. It's known for its powerful bite, which can be 3 times stronger than a human bite. This makes them apex predators. As apex predators, they play a vital role in keeping marine populations in balance by feeding on other animals and regulating their numbers. And as always, thanks for watching. For example, by eating sea lions, sharks help keep their populations under control. In turn, sea lions help control the population of other animals such as sea urchins. Without sharks, these populations would grow unchecked, leading to an imbalance in the ecosystem. This can have negative effects on other species and even entire ecosystems. For example, when shark populations decline, populations of their prey species may increase, leading to overgrazing of coral reef ecosystems. This can damage the coral reefs and disrupt the balance of the entire ecosystem. Sharks also help keep fish populations in check. By feeding on smaller fish, sharks help prevent any one species from dominating the ecosystem. This allows for greater biodiversity in the oceans. So without sharks, the ocean would be a very different place. The hammerhead shark can grow to be 10 to 13 feet long. It gets its name from its wide, flat head, which gives it better vision. The goblin shark is another large shark that can reach 10 to 13 feet. But this deep-sea creature has a more bizarre jaw. When it detects prey, it shoots out its upper jaw to snag its meal. The smallest and most common shark is the dogfish. They're usually around 3 to 4 feet long. One type of dogfish, the short-spined dwarf shark, was recorded at a maximum length of only 6.8 inches. That's smaller than a basketball. Scientists estimate there could be as many as 500 million sharks of this species in the world. And they come in all shapes and sizes. Let's take a look at a few. Unlike humans who only get 2 sets of teeth in their lifetime, sharks can go through thousands of teeth. A great white shark can lose and replace its teeth hundreds of times throughout its life. Since their teeth are constantly being replaced, it's not uncommon to find shark teeth on the ocean floor or washed up on beaches. Their skeleton is made of cartilage instead of bone like humans. Sharks belong to the class Chondriches, which means cartilaginous fish. This class also includes rays and skates. The biggest misconception about sharks is that they're just big, scary monsters, when in reality most sharks are actually quite small. Fact number 2. There are more than 500 species of sharks. As of today, scientists have identified more than 500 species of shark. The largest shark and fish in the world is the whale shark, which can grow up to 40 feet long. Fact number 3. Sharks have replaceable teeth. Fact number 4. Sharks have excellent senses. Sharks have highly developed senses that help them find food, avoid predators, and reproduce. Fact number 5. Sharks help keep our oceans in balance. Sharks are at the top of the food chain in most of their habitats. So there you have it, 5 fun facts about sharks. Do you know any other shark facts? If so, share them below.